For stability in this country, you cannot take Marcel Nnamdi Kanu away. Whether we like it or not, this crisis is only Nnamdi Kanu will speak and everybody will listen.
I am not against so many people who are asking or begging the federal government to release Nnamdi Kanu. I'm not against them. But there is something I want them to understand. Before you watch the rest of the video, I just want to put this assertion. You know, the things of the law is what I think these people should always follow and talk about. Because when it comes to the eyes of the law, Nnamdi Kanu was discharged by the Federal High Court, was discharged by the appeal court. Now, the federal government also went to the Supreme Court. Now, the issue of Nnamdi Kanu being released is a matter of law. He is not supposed to be in detention. So when I see so many people, including this popular evangelist, Ebuka Obi, the president of Zion Ministry, asking the federal government to release Nnamdi Kanu, he did not do anything wrong. Yes, Nnamdi Kanu will be released. But I think we're supposed to be saying, you know, according to the law, or how the law is. I know that the law doesn't work in our country, but we should say things as it is. That as it is now, Nnamdi Kanu is supposed not to be in detention. By the matter of fact, right from the time he was charged to court before the military invaded his property, his house, and killed so many people, that was what led to him fleeing away. And he voluntarily traveled to Kenya, where he was adopted according to the law, and brought to Nigeria, and he's now facing the court. Let's see how things is going to be. But I think that this man is supposed not to be in detention according to the law. So there is no need begging the federal government to release Nnamdi Kanu. As a matter of fact, the pressure, the tension should be mounted on the federal government to release him. It's a matter of the law, not matter of a beg.
Up in Igbo land as a whole. This is Christmas. One thing about Igbos, no matter where we are, we always like to go home. But now everybody is afraid of going home. I am using this opportunity to beg the Ohanese and the Igbo, no matter their differences, the southeastern governors and all the great men and women in Igbo land, to know one thing. If we continue the way, if things continue like this, very soon we will not have a place we can call home. Because everybody is afraid of coming home. My suggestion, I am begging the governors of Southeast and some South. For stability in this country, you cannot take Marcel Nnamdi Kanu away. Whether we like it or not, this crisis is only Nnamdi Kanu will speak and everybody will listen. So, I'm not happy that I believe that dialogue can solve this problem. Let the governors of the Southeast, let the Ohanese and Igbo, I know they are trying, let them do more, let them go back to federal government. That the solution, only what will bring peace in Igbo land now. Leave that hand up. Can everybody hear me? Only what will bring peace, I think that will bring peace. What I know, that if it happens now, people will be happy. Only what I know that can make tension to go down. Because whether you like it or not, some people are hiding under the umbrella of Nnamdi. Some evil people are hiding under it and be causing trouble, killing people. So we lift our hand up, begging the federal government, I am begging the federal government of Nigeria. I am begging the governors of Southeast and South. Let them go. Let the people of God, let me see the hand of people lifting up. Let me see the hand everywhere. No. Let me, yes. We are begging the Southeast governors. Igbo land has become a war zone. Nobody wants to travel home again. We cannot continue to pretend that all is well. All is not well. I am begging, there is no how Governor Soludo will do well if there is insecurity. There is no how. Call all of them. Governor of the State, Governor Omai, Governor Okezi, Governor Hope, which of them? Governor Ifeanyi, Ugwuanyi. There is no how they can do anything meaningful if there is no peace. Igbo land has become a place. Everybody is running away. All our youth are running away. So we lift our hand up so that they will see that people lifting hand up are millions of people. We are begging them, let them go and beg federal government to release Marcel Nnamdi Kanu. We are begging. I think, and why I'm begging for the release of Nnamdi Kanu, I believe that is what will bring peace. The release of Nnamdi Kanu is what will bring peace in Igbo land. Because nobody, the youth and everybody, nobody listens to anybody. I think that there's only one that will come out and say, let there be peace, and there will be peace. Then they can fish out these people hiding under his umbrella and perpetrating evil. You're on the southeast governors to know that you can't remain in power forever. One day you will leave power. What we speak for you is the legacy you are living now. We want companies in Igbo land. No company, no factory in the whole southeast. So
yes, that is a good presentation. So I don't want people to misunderstand the concept of this video and why I made this video. The reason why I'm making this video is this. I don't want people to be begging for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. I'm not saying this because of Nnamdi Kanu. I'm saying it because, you know, the way we want Nigerians to go, or the way we want Nigeria to go is not in this manner. So even though tomorrow Nigeria is being divided into three, this is not how to say things, and this is not how to lead a country. If it is a matter of law, we should insist, or the lawyers of Nnamdi Kanu should insist, that this man ought to have been released. That is what we're supposed to be hinting at. Not even begging for that. What are we begging for? What are you begging for? Is he supposed to be in detention? He was abducted from Kenya. So begging federal government is like he was guilty of the crime. Know that Federal High Court, Appeal Court, all of them have discharged him. So I know that Supreme Court as well will discharge him, but I'm just saying this so that we'll be mindful of the words we are using when we are talking about the things of the law. The man is not guilty before the law. The man is not guilty. The whole count charges that they leveled against him, the Appeal Court quashed all of them and said that this man should be released unconditionally. Federal government said no, we are going to the Supreme Court. And let's see what is going to happen there. But I know that he will surely prevail about it. Thank you for listening. Please kindly help me share this video. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. And above all, always come for new videos. Thank you.